Hi everyone, my name is Benique Corian and I am the founder of Braids by B Inc., a braiding and dreadlock service company. Our beauty salon is located in South Florida. We have been around and we have been serving our community for years. During the time that we were serving our community, we discovered clients that had balding issues with dreadlocks that they were growing for years, many years. And some customers have alopecia, some customers simply had barbers going in too much into their tape line and they were losing dreadlocks. These are natural dreadlocks, which a lot of people don't reach outside the box to help these clients. Well, Braids by B created instant long dread extensions. That's right. We created instant long dread extensions, which we also create or do repairs with our hairline brand. And today, Ingredients for Success initiative can help Braids by B Inc. expand, because today not only do we serve our customers in 12 different states and 3 countries, and today we need to expand by creating our product line. Please help us expand. Thank you.